Good afternoon, welcome to my channel. So I've had a good day down the plot. I just want to show you what I've done today. So this bed here with the wooden raised beds, this was my Brassica patch. So I've dug it out. It was basically a foot deep down into the ground, so I've had to dig it all out. So trench, and eventually move it. I decided to leave the wood here because it's rotted. It would have been too difficult to move as well, so I've just moved the cage and dug it again a foot depth, and then covered it in soil. So next time I move it, it should be easier. It's pretty solid. I've got to do a few more things to it to attach it down, but it's not going anywhere. So the soil, these are where my peas and beans were last year, so it's well prepped for brassicas. So hopefully they'll be more healthy than they were this year, last year, sorry. So not too sure what's going in here. Might be sweet corn. So this trench here, I've moved all my comfrey that was scattered around and dug them out and planted the roots along here. So I should get some nice comfrey plants along here, and this is my flower bed, so it should be quite nice. So yeah, I'm absolutely cream crackered, but there's not a lot to do now. I think all beds are prepared. I've just got to move the onion bed over to there, and then I'll probably dig all this up. Doesn't need much doing to it, but again, I'm not exactly sure what's going where. I'll look at the last few years, see what I planted previously, and take it from there. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It's nice and level. This plot's on a slope, so it's normally quite difficult to get things level. The garlic bed's not very aesthetically pleasing, but everything else is, if you can see there. Looks quite nice and straight. But yeah, there we go. Nice day at the plot.